The next band that I'm going to be talking about is arguably one of my very favorite bands in the whole world. It's called Johnny Hobo and the Freight Trains. It's basically just this one guy. He calls himself Pat the Bunny. And it's just like this angry man who smokes too much with a guitar, and it's really cool. And I'm going to play something for you. What am I going to play? I wrote it down. I am going to play Whiskey Is My Kind of Lullaby, but if you were, paying attention in the beginning, I know you were excited about the cubes, but if you were paying attention during the paper introduction thing, you would have heard another song by them called Put Arsenic in the Frosting Next Time. It's kind of a downer, but in a really good way. So, okay, anyway, this song is called Whiskey Is My Kind of Lullaby. It's on the CD Caught in the Act of Not Being Awesome, and it's by Johnny Hobo and the Freight Trains. So, please enjoy. So that was Whiskey Is My Kind of Lullaby by Johnny Hobo and the Freight Trains on the CD Caught in the Act of Not Being Awesome. And I don't think Johnny Hobo is really a band anymore, but I know that the lead singer, Pat the Bunny guy, he's in a new band called the Wingnut Dishwashers Union, which I like. I don't know quite as well, but they're alright. They're not quite as angry, which is kind of, I don't like that, but whatever. I just realized my video is getting really long, so I have a couple more bands. I might make that later tonight or some other time, but this is the end of episode 1 of whatever this is that we're doing here. So I hope that you enjoyed it, and I don't know really what is going to happen with this, but I'll finish this music thing, and I'm going to talk about web comics and video games and movies and all that good stuff that everyone likes. So check back later. Bye.
Exit to home, I am waving goodbye, and I might be sleeping in the ditch tonight, but it's alright, 'cause whiskey is my kind of lullaby.